Hello everyone, and welcome to another MarkSharks study session. Imagine having the incredible power to control the oceans, command sea creatures, and even summon powerful waves. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, that's exactly what Aquaman can do. But Aquaman's superpowers are not just about adventure. They're all about something very important, protecting our water. And today, Aquaman joins us in our study session on water, our most precious resource. Aquaman's main mission is to keep the seas and ocean life safe and clean. Why? Because our oceans are not just beautiful places full of amazing creatures, they're also vital to life on Earth. Let's dive into why water is such a precious resource and why we should care about protecting it. Water is the essence of life. Every human thing on Earth needs it to survive. Plants, animals, and even humans. Think about it. Our bodies are about 60% water. We need water to drink, to grow food, to stay clean, and to support all the amazing ecosystems around us. But water is not unlimited. Freshwater sources like rivers, lakes, and aquifers make up only a small fraction of all the water on Earth. And did you know that some regions of the world experience severe droughts? That's because our water resources are under threat from pollution, overuse, and climate change. Aquaman knows this, and he works tirelessly to protect the ocean's health. He battles pollution and stands up against those who harm marine environments. His mission is a reminder that water isn't just a resource, it's a lifeline that connects all living things. So, what can we do to follow Aquaman's lead and protect our precious water resources? Start by conserving water in your daily life. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth, fix leaks, and use water wisely. Also, get involved in local cleanup efforts, recycle, and educate others about the importance of water conservation. Remember, just like Aquaman, we all have a role to play in keeping our water clean and plentiful. Let's work together to protect this vital resource for ourselves and for future generations. Every small action counts, and together we can make a big difference. So let's be like Aquaman and make sure our water stays a precious life source for all of us. Thanks for watching, and let's get to work. If you enjoyed this content, give this video a like so it can reach other viewers like yourselves, and let us know in the comment section below what cool concept you would like to know in our fun MarkSharks way. Follow MarkSharks on our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram so you can stay connected and watch our next MarkSharks study session. To download and try MarkSharks for free, click the link in the description box below. See you next time on MarkSharks. It's not about studying, it's about learning by doing.